Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, introducing what the company calls the most powerful Pro iPhones ever created. The new design features a forged aluminum unibody, lightweight, yet incredibly strong. For the first time ever, an iPhone comes with a vapor chamber cooling system laser welded into the frame. This not only keeps the phone cool, but also allows for a larger battery, delivering the longest battery life in iPhone history. At the heart of these devices is the A19 Pro chip, Apple's most advanced processor to date. It delivers up to 40% better sustained performance, perfect for gaming, video editing, and running advanced AI models on device. Both models feature Super Retina XDR displays, 6.3 inches on the Pro and 6.9 inches on the Pro Max, with promotion up to 120 Hz and an incredible 3000 nits of peak brightness. Protected by Ceramic Shield 2, offering 3 times better scratch resistance and 4 times better drop protection. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The iPhone 17 Pro lineup features 348-megapixel fusion lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and a brand new telephoto. Thanks to a larger sensor and tetraprism design, the telephoto delivers up to 8 times optical-quality zoom. That's the equivalent of 8 professional lenses in one iPhone. And yes, you still get up to 40 times digital zoom. On the front, an 18-megapixel center stage camera supports smarter framing for FaceTime and even dual capture video from both front and rear cameras. For creators and filmmakers, the Pro models unlock ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, and Genlock synchronization with external gear, transforming the iPhone into a professional filmmaking tool. Battery life is the best yet. The iPhone 17 Pro lasts up to 33 hours of video playback, while the Pro Max pushes it further, up to 39 hours. And with fast charging, you get 50% power in just 20 minutes. Connectivity also takes a leap forward with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Apple's new N1 networking chip. And of course, both models run iOS 26, fully powered by Apple Intelligence for smarter, faster AI experiences. But not everyone is impressed. Some users praise the bold new design, while others criticize the full-width camera plateau, calling it too much like an Android phone. One review even described it as Apple's ugliest iPhone yet. Pre-orders begin on Friday, September 12th, with official release on Friday, September 19th. Prices start at $1,099 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1,199 for the Pro Max, with options going up to 2 terabytes of storage. Love it or hate it, the iPhone 17 Pro lineup represents Apple's boldest step forward in years, pushing boundaries in performance, battery life, and professional imaging, all while sparking heated debate over its controversial new design.